Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use Clipboard History in Windows 10 with an easy step-by-step guide for beginners. Clipboard History lets you save multiple copied items, making it much faster and easier to copy, paste, and manage text, links, and images. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn on this useful feature and use it like a pro to boost your productivity. So let's get started.
We've all experienced this frustration switching back and forth dozens of times between your browser tabs, Excel sheets, and Word documents. You copy one item, paste it, then realize you forgot the other one and have to go back. It's a huge waste of mental energy and time, especially when you have multiple complex fields to fill in a long digital form. But here's the game changer. Windows 10 has a built-in time machine for your copied items. It's officially called Clipboard History. This powerful feature can store up to 25 of your last copied items in a secure list, including plain text, HTML code, and even small images. Once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever lived without it for so long. To start using this incredible feature, we first need to make sure it's actually turned on in your system settings. Navigate down to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen, click into the search box, and type the word Settings. Click the best match result to open the main Windows settings window where all the magic happens. Once the settings window pops up, look at the left-hand menu carefully. Make sure you are on the System tab, which handles your PC's core functions. Now scroll down on the right side of the screen until you find the specific option labeled Clipboard. It's usually located near the bottom of the list, so don't miss it while scrolling down. If you're struggling to find it manually among all those options, don't worry at all. Windows has a shortcut for that too. There's a search box in the top left-hand corner of the settings window. Simply type Clipboard there, and it will take you directly to the exact page you need. Efficiency is the key to mastering your PC. Inside the Clipboard settings, the very first option you will see is Clipboard History. You'll likely see that it's currently toggled to the off position by default. Go ahead and click that switch to turn it on. You've just unlocked a major productivity boost that will save you hours of work every single month. Now that we have enabled it, how do you actually see your saved items? Here is the magic shortcut you need to memorize. Press the Windows logo key+V on your keyboard. This brings up the Clipboard floating window instantly, no matter which app you are using, be it Word, Chrome, or even a simple notepad. If this simple tip is already changing the way you think about work, imagine what else you can learn on this channel. We post daily guides to make your tech life smoother, faster, and completely error-free. Don't miss our next productivity hack. Let's put it to the test. Go ahead and copy 3 different pieces of text from any document or website. Now hit Windows plus VASGIF. You will see all 3 items listed there in chronological order. Just click on any item in the list to paste it instantly into your current active text field. It's that simple and effective. Look closely at the See More or 3 little dots next to each item in the Clipboard History. If you click them, you get some very powerful hidden options. Do you have a specific piece of information you need to paste multiple times every single day, like your business email or a standard reply? Click the pin icon on that item in the history. Pinned items stay in your clipboard forever, even if you clear the history or restart your computer.